正在直播中了。
你最好把声音关掉吧。
开始了。
开始了。
开始了，现在已经。
Hello guys.
Morning. Hello.
I think we go watch there.
Yeah.
And maybe we need to use this one, right? There we go.
Yeah.
Come closer.
This work?
I think so. One, two, 1, 2. Can you hear me? Here we go. Can you hear me clear? Yes or no? I can see any comments.
So close this page.
No. Let's keep moving on. Yeah.
I don't watch it.
Okay, then look like this. Okay. Hello guys. This is me, Dmitry, MEET.ONE, and this is our CEO Goh, and we are in our office today. Morning 9:10. Sorry for a bit delay. It was traffic jam, and it was because of me, right? I was late a bit.
That's okay.
This is my bad. Okay, so we want to start this live stream, and this is first time live stream about MEET.ONE. It's a bit hard. We're a bit worried about this, so we hope everything goes smoothly.
Yeah.
We would like to hear a lot of questions from you. Would like to hear nice questions, smart questions, and right now I would like to start with a small introduction about MEET.ONE. What do you think?
Yeah, I think I can share.
Okay. Yeah. So if someone doesn't know, MEET.ONE is a project which developing in and growing in few things. First of all, is a mobile wallet, which is one of the most popular in EOS and expanding right now on another blockchains. Another thing is block producer. We are one of the top block producers on EOS. So ranking from 1 to 21 is top block producer. So we are inside top 21. And the third thing, we provide facilitate different projects on our side chain or chain, MEET.ONE chain.
Yeah, no side chain. It's a chain.
All right. MEET.ONE chain.
Yeah.
Which is a blockchain and which is also works on EOS IO software.
Yeah.
So basically, these three businesses, it's what we are developing and pushing ahead. And I think till now, our company exists more than 1 year.
Yeah.
Right. So many people asking many questions about right now about our things, what we are doing, and we're gonna update. The first thing, why we start doing some questions about why we start doing another chains, why we start expanding on the Binance and Binance DEX because it's not so EOS as well.
So I have a break.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think that's a different. We have three parts. The three parts have different folks, have different business model. For example, the wallet. In the first year, we're focusing in the EOS. We developed some feature like Rex, Vault BPs. Yeah. But right now, I think if you are a wallet, you need to support more the public chain. You can make it more users. You can service to the more users. That's the point in the if you are a wallet. That's why right now we support the Binance chain, ETH. In the next month, maybe we will support the BTC. So I think if we support the top 10 public chain, we can cover the 19% blockchain users. Yeah, that's the wallet, folks. The second thing is the BP. Yeah, when we are just start, we focusing in the EOS. We want to be a block producer.
A couple words about why exactly EOS, so the users know. What do you think?
I think so. Let me keep share why we want to why we start from EOS.
Okay.
I think EOS is a very amazing blockchain technology. It's for the business companies who want make the blockchain change. So I will introduce how we want to do in the next section. So
Okay.
so
Yeah.
right now in this time, I just want to share to everyone. We have 3 different parts in our company. We have 3 teams, 3 teams to working on the different parts. So the wallet, the chain, and the BP.
Block producer.
Yeah, block producer. So we are maybe we start in the EOS, but right now we also is a Cosmos block producer.
Right.
Yeah, we have a pool, MEET.ONE pool.
Yes.
So MEET.ONE is growing up. We touch more the users. We touch more the blockchain, public chain.
So the main idea is to expand your community, not only one chain, because we understand there is different opinions and different points of view. And some people think Ethereum is better, some people think EOS is better, some people think Bitcoin is the king. All right, we support all opinions of the users. We want to serve the blockchain community. And that's why we changed our motto, our slogan on our website. And if you check our website, please don't forget to do that. You can see our new slogan is the portal to the blockchain world, which means we are expanding. We want to serve the wide range of the users. And this is our basic idea, and we understand that in such case, this also benefit another chains. So if people like, for example, Ethereum, and then they randomly click on EOS, maybe they can come from one chain to another chain. And this also one way is, I think, to find a way how to make inter-blockchain connection. Because it's a connection in one stop in one wallet with different chains when people can swap from one token to another token easily, right?
So I think blockchain users are not only it's different than the BP. BP always focusing in 1 or 2 public chain.
Yeah.
But you are the blockchain users.
Yeah.
You have more token, maybe 10 or 20.
Some people 100.
A rich guy, right?
A rich
so
guy.
Yeah, someone rich.
Or maybe not rich guy, but a little bit, but 100.
Yeah.
Different tokens.
Yeah.
So
So in wallet we need support the top 10. I think we need to cover the users. So maybe we can bridge the other chains user to EOS.
Today is MA, but I would like to ask question to our users. Can I? What do you think? Guys, many users using our wallet, and it's easy to download and easy to find it. We have 2 versions. And I would like to ask you as well later why it's 2 versions, but right now I would like to ask our users to open our wallet and find and read a comment, send a comment to us. What do you think? What we can improve in our wallet?
We have 2 versions.
Yeah. So can you explain why we have 2 versions of wallet and what is useful with this?
That's a long story.
Long story?
Yeah. We have a connection with the Apple. Yeah, we have letter online.
Yeah.
More than 30 letters.
More than 30 letters back and forth with the Apple Store, right?
About what? About the debt. We have the debt Explorer.
We have 4 tabs. One is assets, another is discovery page, then news, and then me.
In the debt
discovery page,
discovery tab.
Discovery.
Yeah, Apple angry.
Yeah.
It's saying that in the world only one app store is Apple's app store.
Yeah.
So if you want to make a new app store, okay, sorry, you need out the Apple system. So we need discussion with Apple. We need to talk clean. What is the depth mean? So Apple don't want to know. They don't care. They don't care.
Yeah, they don't care.
So what's depth? Only app enough for the users.
What is depth? Yeah.
So in the App Store's version, we cut the Explore tab. So you only withdraw or send the tokens in the Apple Store version. So we have the IPA version. It's difficult to the overseas users, American users are very careful. It's a safety. But I think it's a safe and easy to use. You can download it from MEET.ONE website, official website. MEET.ONE official website's version is a full feature version. Yeah, you can use
Is-
the
is it-
dApps,
is
vote,
yeah.
and Rex,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
decentralized exchange. All of the features are in the one
In one
wallet.
yeah,
One
yeah.
wallet. Yeah.
I would like to make additional thing about these things. Actually, in the end, after this fight, and in the end we have two apps. So we show the world, okay, guys, our users, we are in App Store, but there is no discovery page, no dApps. But we have second full version, which has which we call MEET.ONE Pro, right? MEET.ONE Pro,
IPA.
PRO
Yeah.
is MEET.ONE Pro.
It's the same.
Yeah, it's the same meaning. So in this version, you can have dApps and experience all kind of things. But what is the beneficial thing of two apps? I just experienced a couple of days before. You can migrate your keys from one wallet to another wallet. So for example, if you update your wallet or your wallet get down, you need to upgrade it or download it again. You can download it and you can migrate all keys from one wallet to another wallet, which is the most useful thing. You do not exposure your keys. You don't need to let other people see your keys. So this is very nice thing. You just one click. You don't need to do copy paste or just write in these keys or do something like this. You migrate keys from one wallet to another wallet immediately. We can record one video, I think, about this. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will do.
I
We'll
think
explain.
it's a very difficult to use if your first time.
First time, it actually looks like difficult, but when you're used to, just 2 clicks and you made it done.
One click.
Yeah,
Only one click.
yeah. One
Okay.
click and you made it done. It's much better than you just migrating your keys one by one, because you can have 5, 10 keys. If you
Yeah.
will support 10 chains, it's much more useful to have in one wallet and another wallet.
Yeah. So we want everyone to try that feature. It's a very click to how to say
Migrate from one to
Yeah.
another wallet.
like a mirror.
Yeah, it's like mirroring wallet. One thing is one on the App Store and full version from the test flight. I think it's good time if we can check what people texting us. Maybe, what do you think? Let's check what people texting us. Maybe you can find some questions and I will explain what we do. Okay.
So questions here.
Okay. All right, guys. Sorry, we didn't follow for a while. As a note, what do you think about the unmapped EOS proposal and where the proposal can pass? We support different proposals on EOS. We review it clearly. We spend time on this, and we did also some proposals about reducing 4% of inflation, leaving 1%, and we're just waiting right now about this. And this is, I think, more important, most significant thing. We are waiting right now for version 1.8 consensus protocol, which will give possibility to reduce inflation physically, because we right now did in our governance, but right now we need to do it entirely and physically. Where is the next question? Guys, please send questions in English or maybe in Chinese. We cannot read. What is this language? I don't know.
So what's in this language?
I don't know. Yes, guys, please use EOS. It's like MEET.ONE wallet, which support different chains. EOS blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, whatever blockchain you like, you can use on it.
So maybe we got some.
All right, some people asking. It's difficult for those who didn't understand what is EOS and how it works. Yeah, it's difficult. It's difficult, please just add our Telegram. You can find our Telegram easily on our website. Ask any questions. We can make one AMA call exactly for those people who don't understand EOS. What is our requirement? We need to get 500 people on the call. If there will be more than 500 people, it's reasonable to make call for people and explain. So if you have your friends, gather them together, take some popcorn, take your wallets, looking at us and studying what is EOS together, right?
Yeah.
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's check maybe more questions over here. And
So I think we have many questions before.
yeah, we have many questions from our
Here.
yeah. Let's check this one.
So, the group chat, I think.
A group chat, and we get a lot of get in from the Google form. People send us.
So I think we can share why we want to build a MEET.ONE chain, how it works.
Yeah, I have a question here. Can you tell us more about MEET.ONE exchange? How exactly does it work? I asked about this question and found this person. Actually, this is one of our regular users, and she asking about what will be if there will be more chains.
MEET.ONE's exchange.
Yeah.
That means MEET.ONE owns exchange.
No. It means exchange tokens on MEET.ONE wallet, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or EOS. How it will be possible to make it? Is it will be some solution if there will be many chains?
In the next version, we have a solution to easy to exchange all of the tokens, the BTC, ETH, all the EOS, all of them.
So it basically works as a swap, right? As a token swap. When you get in from...
You just need through MEET.ONE wallet, you can exchange it to the three biggest exchange, like OKEX, Binance, or B. We combine three different exchanges
in one. All right. Yeah. So this is our next thing. What we're gonna do? We're gonna combine.
That's the version.
Next version, we're gonna combine different big exchanges in one wallet, and we don't want to say more about this. Let people find and find about it by themselves. Okay? I think we will make an official announcement on that, so it will be reasonable. People just keep follow us.
Yeah.
And watch the official announcement. This will be.
Please reverse some info on cross chain.
Transfer feature will develop. No. What change will be involved? Thanks. Okay. All right. About the cross chain. Cross chain works basically like a swap. And right now there is a full cross chain between EOS and MEET.ONE. And the tokens is floating between MEET.ONE chain and EOS, and basically tradable mostly on EOS. So the most tradable volume on EOS. Additional thing, we got the program with the Binance chain, when we can trade some amount of gold. And
I think about the wallet. I think this part. Yeah. I think it's finished. I think more the focusing in the chain.
Yeah, asking about the chain.
Next year plan.
Yeah, they're asking about the chain right now. So let me answer about the
answer the chain plan.
Let me answer about the chain.
Why we need a MEET.ONE chain? Okay. How it work? Right. So I think we need answer this question.
Let me finish about the chain. Okay, swap.
Okay.
And then we could continue about MEET.ONE chain. Yeah. So for us, it's important to expand the community on Binance. So we got Binance DEX. First of all, because we support DEXs as a phenomenon when you can trade from the wallet to the wallet, and when you don't need to put your assets on the big exchange, and you own your assets by your own private key. So Binance DEX was very popular at that time. So we found that there is live community very hot. So we find that this is a good chance to participate. That's why we decided to do that. And we follow their conditions. We fill in the proposal, which is really comprehensive. And we did a trading volume pretty nice. We're top 5 top trading tokens on Binance chain, which I think is really good result.
Yeah.
And the first EOS-based tokens from EOS who was listed on Binance DEX. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's follow what next
So,
question.
so
Yeah.
so MEET.ONE token, like a MEET.ONE wallet, we cross a different public chain.
Yeah, across different public chains.
Yeah.
It's like if we support, we can build it and you can swap.
Yeah.
So amount of MEET.ONE tokens is same. There is everything is safety. All swaps did from this smart contracts is not manually swap, a smart contract swap. So you can follow and you can see how swap goes. You can see everything on blockchain.
Yeah. So I think I can answer the question. I
Okay,
saw the
you
question.
your question as well. Here.
Yeah, I have a question here.
Okay.
Why we need a MEET.ONE chain? MEET.ONE chain. Why we? Yeah. Actually, I in the 1 years or 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago, I saw the EOS IO's white paper. I think that's an exciting and an amazing plan to change the internet. It's not only change the blockchain technology. It's a service for the internet company, internet. I think internet technology, of both. So, but EOS is too expensive. Yeah, if you want an account from EOS, you need to pay maybe $1 or $2 right now.
Today is $4.
Yeah,
kind of.
Yeah. So everyone knows in the Facebook, maybe Facebook have 2 billion users in the world. Yeah, WeChat have 100 million. Alibaba, Taobao also have 100 million users in the world.
Almost 1 billion.
If everyone got the 1 year's account, the company need to pay hundreds dollars,
$100,000.
$100,000. Yeah. So I think that's difficult. It's a big challenge to the old internet company. So MEET.ONE want to build a new chain to help the small business company, small internet company. We want to bridge the small internet company to the blockchain. So in MEET.ONE, you can very easy to all the users is very easy to have the MEET.ONE accounts. That's a blockchain account. In the past 10 years or 20 years, you use the internet. You just share your life, share your knowledge, you read the news, share the photos, and you pay money. But you never withdraw anything from internet. You know that's why? Because all of the data in the big companies server. So everyone share their information and share their data to the business company. So the big company
using this data,
use the data, and they say it's AI. It's a new word.
They target in your brain.
Big data AI. You target your brain. You have movie.
That movie. Actually, I would like to advise to the people. The movie is called Great Hack.
So I think the blockchain will change that. You need own your data. You can sell, you can keep sell, share your data, but you can withdraw some value for you.
Guys,
yourself.
Your data belongs to you. Keep your data with you.
Yeah. So I think that's a MEET.ONE want to change. Want to help the internet company and what internet users, the app users, to get their value. So you can keep use the games, the social media, the chat app, whatever. It's I think you don't need to change your experience. So, but you have a new exchange. New experience is you have a blockchain account. That's a difference. The old internet. What is a new internet? New internet is everyone have the blockchain account. You can get your value anytime, anywhere. It's not only share your data. So I think that's a blockchain me.
Blockchain is really important in this part that you really own your own data. And you hold in your private key. And private key is mean you are the holder and owner of these assets. If you give your private key, for example, I give my private key to Go, then it means he holds these assets. There is no surnames or family names or passports or anything, any ID requirement right now. Yes, some chains require this, but not MEET.ONE chain. MEET.ONE chain is private, 100% private chain. And
so we won't do this. So we have two big panel. The first one is Didi. I think you can share a little story about Didi.
All right. I'll share about Didi. You share another one. All right.
I'll share a new one. It's a secret.
Actually, oh really? Maybe even secret for me. No. All right. Cool. So about the Didi, the story started more than 1 year ago, and we find this guy's also here is on southern part of China. And this guy is doing very good project, which is focused on the young people generation, which like anime movies and creating different content, kind of making pictures. So basically, it's community-driven project with serving more than 20 million users, which is huge, I think. And the active users like more than 2 million a month. So I think that's the main reason why we want to go there, because it's a really cool experience. You get these users and you just deliver them blockchain. You get them incentivized with some small tips and some small fees by doing some actions on their website. And in such case, this reward let them do more and let them be more active and let them participate more activities. And this is really nice for different spheres. So with Dili, we got many users, more than 1 million, almost 2 million users.
We have 2 million MEET.ONE account from Dili.
Already more
and
like 2 million.
Dili have 13 million active user per month. It's not a big company in China, but I think a big company in blockchain.
Yeah.
And blockchain world is very, very big.
Yeah. So blockchain, this is the way we want to do, because all other projects, what we see, they would like to educate people, talk to them first, and then share, so people study something they know. But in our case, people experience blockchain by clicking, registering accounts, because they necessary to have it to get the reward. Behind this, they don't know blockchain, but in the future, they can experience it. And a vision of this, when people experience blockchain without hard times of buying RAM on CPU or different kind of hard things, or buying gas on Ethereum. So we need to adopt this blockchain and make it so comfortable to use, so normal users do not have any bad experience with this. That's a challenge for many companies, maybe a bit challenge for us, but we agree that it's solvable problem and we can solve it. So we're looking forward to let these users be more active on the chain in future with other projects. So basically, we would like to place different projects on MEET.ONE chain, which are not similar, which are different, and the users coming from one to another projects can experience the blockchain in different spheres. So couple words about your secret idea, like you would like to say.
We actually we still to find a new company to help.
We keep searching. So if you maybe they can advise on some companies. To talk with.
We search and we help different company. We have a different panel. So actually, we still to search the new market. You know, in American, the internet have the 30 years history, right?
30 years history.
In China, maybe more than 20 years. So have so many big company in the internet right now. But so we need to find a new market. So some company is just growing up. It's growing very low. So we need to find this a new market to make something to build some business. So we find a company, amazing company. It's not company, it's a country. This country is the Philippines.
That's why you're so black, right?
That's why I'm so black. in last week I'm working on the Philippines. We MEET.ONE have a office in Philippines right now in Makati. So why we choose the Philippines? Because right now Philippines have 130 million people.
Okay, 130 million.
And they have 30 million smartphone users. In the users growing in the 2 years, just 2 years grow to the
So
30 million.
it's fast developing country.
Yeah. So the internet is the how to say in the handphone.
Yeah, phone, just phone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
handphone.
smartphone.
I know it's a smartphone.
Yeah.
无线怎么说？
Without just normal phone.
Mobile.
Mobile
Yeah,
phone.
mobile.
Yeah,
mobile
phone.
internet.
Yeah.
It like blockchain. It's a new to the Philippines.
All right.
Yeah.
So they have 3G.
Yeah, sure.
They have
4G, 4G, 3G.
4G,
also,
4G
yeah,
you have.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It just built in the past 2 years. Yeah.
Right.
It's a new market. So the Facebook and Twitter is also popular in Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
But the Grab taxi, maybe American users use the Uber, but in Philippines, the most popular taxi is a Grab taxi.
Grab, okay, yeah. Grab application. Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe in China, we want to order something for it, we use the
Ele.me, yes.
Ele.me.
Ele.me is translated like, "Are you hungry?"
Yeah. Are you hungry? You use that app.
Yeah.
So, but in Philippines, no choice. Yeah,
there is nothing.
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
Ukraine. We don't have. Yeah.
So anything need to create. So I think in the games, the chat app, the social, if you won't have the local app, I think everyone need to create new. So this country will grow up very fast. They have so many new users. We are open to hug the blockchain. So we only have one choice to the Makati to build some to have an office to build some business in there. So in the next year or maybe need 2 years, MEET.ONE will build an exchange in the Philippines. Yeah. And we will build a payment app in the Philippines to help the Philippines users to payment online.
So this is a really cool thing and really new, and we didn't say about this before. I think we will make an announcement later about this. So we are planning to expand our market in different spheres, and localization is very important. As far as people just concentrated in some areas, from the beginning we wasn't like this. We don't want to concentrate in that area which is many blockchain companies. You need to bring a blockchain to the rural areas, whereas some people do not have bank cards there. There's many people don't have bank cards. Yeah. So I think the payment method on the blockchain can be a solution for them to exchange in value. That's why we also experience some projects in Nigeria. We would like to expand in Nigeria. Before I was talking with the people from Nigeria, also in Egypt, when people can share their application, you just share transfer the tokens from one to another one without using any bank cards. So this is a really cool thing because we're living in right now the age of changes when big companies already understand that there is behind a little bit this. So they start doing Libra or different and other tokens
So actually, you told Libra. So I think the government is very important.
Yeah.
So I have another point. That's why we choose the Philippines, because the Philippine government is very open. In the Philippines right now have 300,000 or 400,000 people that working on the casino, online casino.
Mm-hmm.
They work for the online casino.
For like desktop or mobile casinos, right?
Online. All online. So in 2 years ago, Philippines government get the tax from the casino companies, maybe only for 15 million
In the taxes.
PH. So the Philippines money.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
peso.
Okay.
But in last year, I saw the newspaper in last
Right,
week.
right.
The Philippine government from the online casinos tax more than 7 billion. Only 2 years.
All right.
From the 14 million to
the 7 billion.
Yeah, 7 billion.
Yeah, this is a smart way to fill in budget and then to build the roads on a country.
So Philippine governments know all of the new things that you need to hug. So maybe you can make money easy for governments.
Yeah, so this is the cool thing. All right, let's check the questions. What we have over here.
Yeah.
Are you going to integrate fiat payments into wallet? We will have a real money in our wallet.
That's a good question. Actually, in Philippines exchange, we support the peso.
Okay. So it will be not
you can buy. You can use the credit card or other payment app. You pay the peso to buy the BTC, EOS, MEET.ONE, all of the coins.
But it will be another application different from MEET.ONE. Or it will be MEET.ONE.
It's different.
It's different, right? It's different.
It's a new brand.
All right. Let's clarify. So MEET.ONE is totally blockchain focused wallet for you guys who experience in blockchain, all the things. We in MEET.ONE we won't have fiat, but we are building our like a daughter project which can expand on from Philippines, and it's gonna have a fiat in it, fiat exchange in it.
Philippines just a beginning.
Yeah.
We will go to the Japanese, go to the American, Australia, other countries.
What's your big partner right now? Maybe it's time to talk about Snippet. What do you think? What is your big partner right now?
Big partner. Oh,
I don't know what you mean big partner.
Dili is a big partner. In China,
yeah, Dili is a big partner. So another.
I forgot the Snippet Media.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I saw that some guys are from Philippines. Yeah, so we have a partner in Philippines. That's app name is Snippet Media.
Snippet Media, guys.
Snippet Media is a how to say? It's a news app like 今日头条 in China. It's the biggest news app in the Philippines. They have more than 2 million active users per week, I think.
Per week.
Per week. So they cover they just they are also is a startup, just only 1 year. They grow 1 year. So right now, Snippet Media covered 15% of the Philippines mobile app users. So they still grow up and grow up faster. So we have so many things work together with the Snippet Media. So in this year, in a half year, next half year, all of the Snippet Media users they will get a MEET.ONE account. That means maybe 10 million users, 10 million Philippine users may have a blockchain account. Yeah. No KYC. Only use the phone number to have the account, the Snippet Media account. In the same time, they have the MEET.ONE account. So all of the developers is done. So we just need a more test,
and then promote and then go through it.
Yeah.
And basically, the Snippet Media also looking for the same thing. What I tell you guys before, they looking for incentive program to get benefits for their users. In such case, their business can grow faster.
So why we choose Sleepy Media because I think the news app can touch the different company. You know, the Sleepy Media have a business relationship with the McDonald's, Grab Taxi, and some bank in Philippines.
Oh, really?
So
I didn't know.
so they have so many local panel. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So
So local corporations with the local
yeah,
businesses.
local business. So we want to go the new market to a new country. So we need to choose the best panel to work together.
Or best
Yeah.
plan to work
Yeah,
together,
yeah,
right?
yeah. So,
I think beside this, if some of our users can advise some good companies which is growing really nice and they have good growing plan for a couple past years, they already got their own users and the amount of volume users is significant and reasonable to talk to them. You can advise us, you can talk to us in Telegram. You can really easy reach us through the Telegram group.
yeah. So have anything we forgot?
I don't know. Let's check the questions. Okay.
Susan, it's okay. Okay.
So mostly we reply most questions. If you have more questions, please write down right now.
Okay.
It,
So we
one,
have
I got a question.
new question.
Do you have a plan to integrate other decks?
We confirm.
Yeah.
We still to touch the other decks, and so we want to more relationship to the different decks actually.
All right, I have. Let's go fast with the questions we got before from the MA questionnaire, and here is interesting questions. Uh, Most of the projects out there consist of hype and shady things mostly, but you are trying hard to deal in with the real life usage of blockchain and helping real customers to solve their problems transparently. Do you think manipulative market situation put you in a dangerous position? Basically, people asking, what do you think about another projects which are doing not honest, not fair business like blockchain projects, maybe like some scammers? What do you think? Is it affect our business or not?
I think we can answer this question.
All right. So the point is, I think, yeah, definitely it's affect not only our business, but affect the whole blockchain. If there is many scammers in this area, in this sphere, it means that there are less trust. And I think the blockchain is built on trust to the project from the beginning. If you're a startup, then it means you need to get trust from your users to use your application, and they need to be sure it's safety and it should be proved. But if there are many scammers, the people will think the same about you because they already experienced this before. So I think this can have some effect not only on our business in blockchain, but all other blockchain projects.
So I have a new question here.
Okay.
It's a good question.
Okay.
So the question is me. So the question is say everyone know the Binance chain. And everyone knows the Binance chain how to work and why the price go up fast, right? So the question is how MEET.ONE? Why MEET.ONE? Why we choose the MEET.ONE chain? So I think that's I think we have the one point the same with the Binance chain. Actually, Binance have the product to the customers, to the people. It's a Binance exchange. So they can, so users exchange in the Binance can have an income. It's a tax, right? So every month, Binance use income to buy the BNB, right?
Yeah.
So that's a
BNB grow.
BNB why how to grow. So Actually, Binance have a chain, Binance chain.
Binance chains, yeah.
Binance chain is a very boring. I think it's just focusing in the exchange.
Yeah. The
No
one
smart
function.
contract.
One
You
function.
can build a smart contract in a Binance chain.
It's built on Cosmos blockchain.
You only can build the coins
Yeah.
and the exchange. So I think that's a business model. You have a store to the customers. You have the business model to the companies. So that's the difference. So first, you need to touch more and more customer. You make money. You have the
You have
income.
budget.
You have budget. You have income. Then you have money to build your big business dream, business plan to help more business company. So that's the same thing as MEET.ONE is to do, and we want to do, and we are doing. First, we have a wallet. The wallet is different than the 1 year or 2 years ago. In the 2 years ago, you use the wallet, you only send the coins to other guys.
Just send, receive tokens.
Yeah, that's all.
And it takes half hour.
But right now you use the MEET.ONE, you can vote, you can staking, and the dApps, and the DEX you can exchange. So the wallet is different than 2 years. I think the wallet. So we don't like to define as a blockchain wallet. I think we are a finance service company. Finance service company. So in the over wallet, I think a wallet is a very simple feature. It's the first layer. In the second layer, actually it's a finance server. Maybe in future, we can help a user to rent, to make money. I think have so many things we can do in the wallet. So in all of the future, we can have the money income, the fake. We also have the fake.
So it's basically is that basically bank in your hand.
Bank in your hand. The same thing.
It's easy to explain like this. So you basically can lease your money or can take a loan from their application if someone leases money from some percent.
So that's the first point. We need touch more customers, more users. So second, we will help more the business company running on the MEET.ONE chain. So if we have more company in the MEET.ONE chain, we can got more user for our wallet. So I think that's the real business model in the world. We don't share some story like 30 years later, 50 years later, what will happen. I think all the layers to say. We just share what's real, something is happening.
What we are doing right now.
Right now, it's
10, 15 years, hard to say, but this is our plan for right now. And I think it's more reasonable to talk about things what we are doing right now. The market changing very fast.
So I think everyone will know. I think everything is a change. The first time, we are wallet, but right now we are finance service. We are like a bank. The first time we just a BP, but right now we are a MEET.ONE pool. The first time we are MEET.ONE side chain, but right now we are MEET.ONE chain. That's different. Everything is different. MEET.ONE is still a startup, but we are growing faster.
Growing faster and faster.
So I'm very happy today we can share with Dima, share everything to you.
Let's check. Maybe we have more questions, and I think we will wrap it up. And if there is no,
I think we answered all of questions.
Maybe let's check on the YouTube what they comment over there.
YouTube. No more questions.
No, there is some.
There's some things
similar to DeFi on Ethereum. You can say something similar to DeFi on Ethereum, but Ethereum, you know how slow it is. With our technology, with our technology right now, you get everything immediately like this.
So
right? If you want a transaction, I send it to you. If you want to get loan, you get it everything immediately 1 second.
Actually, it's a difference. The define is decentralized, but I think all of the best finance service is centralized. You know, the biggest bank in the world, all is the centralized service. That's why people pay money to you, save money in your bank. You need to keep it safety, and you need to make the money grow up, maybe 4% or 5% per
So
year.
you need to have kind of plan.
So if MEET.ONE, we have the finance service, we can pay off them. We can make it safety. I think that's important. Safety is the most important point in the finance.
Yeah. Safety, because safety about security of the wallet. One thing is about privacy of your account. Another thing is how secure is your keys. This is safety. And another thing is like how safety your savings. If you lease or if you loan to someone, then it means how safety this transaction, how safety you can make it. So this is what we are our target, and this is what we are promising to our users.
Yeah.
I think this is all. We are already right now 1.5 hours on the call, and I think I think it's better we wrap everything, and we will head on to catch you maybe in a few weeks. If will be more questions, please stay with us, stay tuned, keep follow our news, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and press that our Telegram, subscribe on our Telegram, follow us on Telegram. And you also can see many news on Twitter, and we have a lot of bounty programs when we benefit our users with the different small tips which make them happy and help them also to help us also to expand MEET.ONE community. It's very important you stay with us, and it's very important that you support MEET.ONE project. If you have some suggestions about or proposals about the cooperation with some businesses like Dilly or Snippet Media you heard today, we would like to hear advices from you, and would like to cooperate with you in some ways. Glad that you follow us. Glad to see you sending our questions. It's very nice. And let's keep in touch. Thank you to stay with us. All right, go. Let's say goodbye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Goodbye, guys.
Yeah. So?
Yeah, it's finished, right?
It's finished.
All right, let's take it out this.
Thank you. So, how to close?
怎么样？